About the evidences of evolution. Evolution means gradual changes which takes place in the living organism. That type of gradual changes are called as evolution. But each and everything needs the proof. And for the evidences, there are certain proofs has been given by different scientists in order to explain about the evolution. And these proofs are known as evidences of evolution or evolutionary evidences. Now, let us study about the evolutionary evidences or evidences of evolution. There are 6 types of evidences of evolution. First one is the morphological evidences, second one is the anatomical evidences, third one is the vestigial organ, fourth one is the embryological evidences, fifth one is the connecting link, and fourth one is the palatological evidences. So by understanding these evidences, we can able to understand what is the meaning of evidence and how the evolution takes place. So let us discuss about first of all morphological evidences. Morphological evidences, it means that the different type of living organism, for example plants and animals, are similar morphologically. Their external appearance is similar, and if their external appearance is similar, then it indicates that their ancestor is a common. They have a common origin. For example, in animals, the similarities is found in structure of mouth, position of eyes, and structure of nostril. When we consider about the plants, in the case of plants, the leaf shape, leaf venation, leaf petiole are seen, and they are similar with one another, and therefore it means that if there is a similarity in morphological characters, then their ancestor is a common, their origin is a common. Now let us discuss about the second evidence, that is anatomical evidences. So anatomical evidences, so first of all we should know what is the meaning of anatomy. Anatomy means the study of internal structures. If the external structures are different and the internal structure are similar, then it indicates the anatomical evidences. When we discuss about this structure, that is human hand, patagium of bat, and flipper of whale, then we can clearly understand when we observe the human hand. Then human hand, there is a presence of one bone. In patagium of bat, at the upper side or the anterior side, there is a presence of one bone, and in the flipper of whale, there is a presence of one bone at the anterior side. At the middle part, in the human hand, there is a 2 bones. In the patagium of bat, there is a 2 bones. In the flipper of whale, there is a 2 bones. It means that they are morphologically different, but internally they are similar. If they are internally similar, it means that they are anatomically similar, and if they are anatomically similar, it means that their ancestor is a common. They have evolved from the common ancestor. So this is the anatomical evidence. Then vestigial organ is also the evidence. Vestigial organs means useless organs. Useless organs are called as the vestigial organs. Useless organs are not useless in each and every living organism, but they may be useless in some organism. For example, in the case of human being, the appendix, which is found in an intestine, which is found in between the small intestine and large intestine, the muscles of ear pinna, the tailbone, wisdom teeth, and body hairs are useless. They do not have any function, because appendix cannot perform any function, muscle of ear pinna do not perform any function, tailbone is also useless, wisdom teeth is also useless, and body hairs are also useless. So these are the vestigial organs. They may be present or they were present in the previous living organisms, but in the case of human beings, they are useless, and therefore it indicates that we are evolved from the another living organisms. Now let us discuss about the embryological evidence. Embryological evidences are related with the embryological stages. When we discuss the embryological stages, initial embryological stages are the initial stages of embryo of different type of living organism. For example, Pisces, amphibians, reptiles, aves, mammals. Then the initial stages of Pisces, reptiles, amphibians, aves, mammals are similar. If They show the extreme similarity. Means not some amount of similarity, but they show the extreme similarity. It indicates that their ancestor is a common. They have originated from the common ancestor, and therefore embryological evidences give us a proof for the evolutionary evidences or evidences of evolution. Then let us discuss about the connecting link. Connecting link means certain living organisms or certain animals who act as a link in between the two living organisms. Let us discuss one example, Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx is a living organism or animal which shows the character of reptiles as well as aves, and therefore it is a connecting link in between the reptiles and aves, and in this way we can say that the aves are evolved from the reptiles. So there are number of connecting links, for example Peripatus, Platypus and so on. They can indicate the living organism in between the two living groups or living organisms. Let us discuss about the last evidence. It is a paleontological evidence. It is related with the fossil. Those fossils which are observed or which are found at the upper layer, it indicates that that living organism was a recent. Whereas those living organisms fossils are found in a deeper layer of soil, they are from the ancient period. So in this way we can definitely say there are certain proofs which shows the evolution has been takes place, and in this way we have discussed about the evidences of evolution or evolutionary evidences. So thank you very much.